build on and learn from is why less intensity works better in midlife. So again, midlife is 40 and above, 50 and above. I'm not real sure what that magic age is that terms what midlife is, but you understand what I'm saying, right? So this takeaway came straight out of living it, because the truth is midlife, okay, I'm 58, like I mentioned, midlife physiology changes the rules. Our hormones shift. Our recovery, it slows down. We need more restorative sleep. Sleep becomes so impactful, not only to feel good the next day, but again, to give our body, our digestive system, all the systems in the body to heal and to rest, and just tapping into that. And your nervous system carries more load from real life stress, and the body becomes less tolerant of constant intensity. Again, that is the downside of aging. And again, it comes, a lot of that comes with, the different areas of cortisol and obviously blood sugar and how that mixes in. But obviously we also know that estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, all those magical hormones that we love. And if you're like me, you have jumped on board with hormone replacement, which I am a big advocate of. And if this is something that you're still curious about, maybe that's something you're going to look at closer, definitely keep in touch and reach out if you have any questions, or just stay right here on the show. And again, subscribe to the show, because we are going to continue to have more conversations about hormone replacement and how this could be your option for the new year. Now, I used to believe that the solution was to push past it. Now I understand the opposite is true. So when cortisol stays high, everything gets harder. Our blood sugar, our sleep, our mood and attitude, right? Our muscle repair. And high intensity is a guaranteed cortisol spike. And again, it's there to protect us. The release of glucose from the liver is there to help protect us. And being mindful of that, it's not the enemy, but keeping it in perspective. And again, being aware of when it's happening, why it's happening, and what you can do to lessen the impact. Cortisol spikes is also blood sugar spikes. It's also hormonal shifts. And that up and down is really what causes so many issues in all of our lives and our thinking and, our relationships and everything. And that isn't bad on its own, okay? What's bad is stacking it on top of an already overwhelmed system. So again, we're asking our body to do a lot. I mean, we are our own pancreas. We do the work of an organ in our body that it's just incredible how much we can do manually every day. Again, the insulin pumps definitely help. We get a little help from that. But, the mental and obviously the physical decisions we have to make to act and think like a pancreas it's pretty profound. So put that in perspective too. Our system is overwhelmed just based on all that we are asking from it. We've got to really recognize that. This is why women in midlife can work out harder and see fewer results. And it feels unfair, I know, but it's actually just information. And once you have the information, you can adjust.